Severe tropical storm Gorio intensifies into a typhoon Friday afternoon. As of 5 p.m., State Weather Bureau Pag-asa says Gorio is 300 kilometers east of Batanes and has maximum winds of 120 kilometers per hour and gustiness of up to 145 kilometers per hour. Batanes is now under signal number 2, while the Babuyan group of islands has been placed under signal number 1. Aside from Gorio, Pag-asa continues to monitor a tropical depression located outside the Philippine Area of Responsibility at 600 kilometers west of Calayan, Cagayan. Pag-asa says the tropical depression is barely moving and will not enter PAR. But both the tropical depression and Gorio will continue to enhance the southwest monsoon. Pag-asa earlier said the weather will gradually improve starting Sunday, the day Gorio is expected to leave PAR.